In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a watermark using Canva, a super handy tool for creating stunning designs. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative project, adding a watermark can give your work a professional touch and protect your content. First, let's begin by opening Canva on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the text option on the left-hand toolbar. This is your starting point for creating a watermark. Click on it, and you'll see several text options appear on your screen. It's an easy step, but it's crucial as this is where you'll start defining exactly what your watermark will say. Next, you're going to add a text box to your design. Look for the option that says Add a text box and click on it. This is where your watermark will actually live, so take a moment to think about the text you want to insert. It could be your logo, your company name, or a simple copyright notice. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that clearly represents you or your brand. After inserting the text, type in your watermark. Now this might seem straightforward, but here's a tip. Expand the text box to fit your design. You don't want the text to be too big or too small. It needs to be just right so it's visible yet not overpowering the main content of your design. You might try moving the corners of the text box to ensure the text fits well within the space you've allocated. Once your text is in place and positioned correctly, let's move on to adjusting the transparency, which is key to making your watermark blend seamlessly into your design. You'll need to locate the transparency icon. It usually looks like a checkerboard and can be found on the top right corner of your screen when the text box is selected. Clicking on the transparency icon will give you a slider that lets you adjust how faded or bold the watermark appears in your design. A general rule of thumb is to make it subtle enough that it doesn't distract from your main image, but still clear enough so it can't be easily removed or overlooked. Try different levels of opacity until you find the sweet spot that works best for your design. Finally, take a moment to review your design with the watermark included. Move it around if necessary, and adjust the size one last time to ensure it fits perfectly with your overall composition. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, save your work. Remember, a well-placed watermark can safeguard your design while adding a layer of professionalism. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a watermark in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you add that protective polish to your creations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Happy designing!